Alright guys, 2014 Forester, same thing as Outback Legacy. Taking out this airbag, there's holes right here, you need to push it in. There's a little spring, same thing on this side and the bottom. So those are the spring I'm talking about right here. Just need to push that in. Same thing with this one, and then this side right here. Alright, so when that's out, we're gonna unhook this airbag right here, the airbag wire, pick tool, up that middle, and then just kind of wiggle it out. That's out like that. Same thing on this side. This is a tricky part right here. That one, and then the last one. There we go. Let's put this on the side. That's it. That's how you take out the airbag on this Subaru. Alright guys, so we're just gonna put this airbag back together. I did diagnose in this clock spring because the horn day doesn't work, so check out that video. So put it back, the airbag, get the ground, black to black, orange to orange. There we go. And then there's 3 pins right here that line up to these holes right here, and then just line it up and then push it down. There you go. Done. That's it.